everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to change your Apple ID. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.apple.com and press enter. Sign into your Apple ID account like you normally do. Once you're inside, from the Sign In and Security tab, click on the Apple ID that you are currently using. Enter the new Apple ID you'd like to change to and click on the Change Apple ID button. Enter the password for your Apple account in the text box to verify yourself first and click Continue. Now enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address you are trying to change to, and then once you are done, click the Continue button in order to change your Apple ID. That is how you'll be able to change your Apple ID quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.